Hi everybody. Thanks for a great day. It was a lot of fun. I just wanted to show you how nice the grandfather clock looks in my office. I really appreciate it. And I had to share something with everybody. Joe and Mark helped me move it into the office. And we set the weights and we set the pendulum and walked away. And I thought, well, we'll just see if it's going to, what'll happen. I don't know. Anyway, I left, and Franny and I were downstairs for a while. I came back in my office, and I couldn't believe what I was just seeing. We didn't touch it. And I looked down at the pendulum. I thought, oh my gosh, it's working. And then I wonder if it's going to chime. Well, it didn't. So all I did was move it to Westminster Chime and turn on the chime mode. I want you to hear how pretty this is. How about them apples?